Thanks for stopping by Bobbi Jo's. Today I'm excited to be participating in the Healthy Snacks 2026 collaboration. It's hosted by Tammy with Mountain Grandma, Gail at Gail Southern Living, and Heather at Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. This is going to be a Monday through Friday collaboration through the month of May. Getting my yogurt opened here. I'll put a playlist in the video description, so you can go check out everybody's videos. There will be a giveaway. I'm not sure when the giveaway is going to be yet, but there will be a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. You know, what constitutes a healthy snack for one person might not be healthy for another. Simply because we all have different things going on with our bodies and our health. And this is super evident right here in my household. I try to avoid sugar and carbs because my blood sugar gets too high. And my husband actually deals with low blood sugar, so his snack needs are the exact opposite of mine. So in my household, what is healthy for me is not as healthy for him. He can't do low carb and keto, whereas I do more low carb things. Today I'm going to be making something that fits perfectly into my routine and my diet. It's yogurt bark, blueberry yogurt bark. I have my blueberries. It's an incredibly easy snack to throw together, and I always start off with whole fat yogurt. And I'm going to be using 1.5 cups. I kind of guess it. I always have more than what it calls for, so we're probably looking about 1 3/4 cups, but I'm not big on making sure all the measurements are exact because it doesn't really matter. It'll still turn out. And I love using whole fat Greek yogurt because it's an absolute powerhouse. It's packed with protein, which helps keep you full. It prevents those blood sugar spikes. And the healthy fats are fantastic for keeping you satisfied longer. Plus, it's full of probiotics for a healthy gut. Let me move some of this around so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I also like to add a little sweetener. You can use whatever kind of sweetener you want. If you're not doing keto or low carb or anything like that, you can add maple syrup, honey, any kind of natural sweetener. This is a 0-calorie sweetener. It's stevia leaf, monk fruit, and allulose all together. And that is the ingredients. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add cinnamon. I'm going to do about 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. That's 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm going to do 2 more of these. And there's my cinnamon. Okay, I'm just going to mix all this together. And if you don't want to use any sweetener, that's fine too. If you like that really tart yogurt, unsweetened yogurt taste, you can just leave it without putting any sweetener in it. Plus the blueberries are going to give it a little bit of sweetness too. Once it's all mixed together, you just spread it out onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. You're going to want it to be about 1/4 of an inch thick, and you can make more. I'm just making a small batch, but if you want it like a big batch, you can use the whole thing, 32 ounces of yogurt. It's so easy to make. I don't make a whole lot at one time. We're going to spread this out on the parchment paper. Another fun bonus, if you leave the sweetener out, this yogurt bark can actually double as a fantastic healthy treat for your dogs. You guys know how much I love making treat videos with the doggies, especially Bobbi Jo. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chastity. Bobbi Jo is my dog. So we make dog treats too. And you leave all the others and just do yogurt. Dogs can have a little bit of cinnamon if you want to do that, but you can do just plain yogurt. Mix it up. Spread it out on parchment paper, and the dogs can have it. With summertime coming, it's a really quick, easy, healthy snack for doggies too. Healthy, cool snack for doggies, I should say. And Bobbi Jo, she's a Border Collie, Newfoundland, and she loves water. She was made for cold weather. So when we get our Tennessee heat setting in, she loves cold stuff. So I'm always making her some cold treats. And that's Carla May over there drinking her water. She just turned 15. And I still got to do her a birthday treat. She was sick, so we didn't really do anything. I've got a cup of frozen blueberries here. It's not blueberry season yet. I've got tons of blueberries on my blueberry bushes out in the garden, but they're not ready yet, so we're using frozen still. I like a lot of blueberries on mine. If you don't want as many blueberries, that's fine. Blueberries are amazing for the low carb lifestyle because they have a low glycemic index, which means they won't mess with your blood sugar. And they're also loaded with fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants that help fight inflammation. So they're always a good thing to add. Now, you can add granola, you can add nuts, you can add whatever you want to the top of this. You can use your imagination and have it all kinds of strawberries. You can do melt some sugar-free chocolate and drizzle it over it. I like a little sweet and salty. Just a little Himalayan salt across the top. We're going to stick it in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours. So we'll be back in just a few hours. Okay, it's been about 2.5 hours. It is frozen. You can try to break it with your hands. You can get a knife. You can get a pizza cutter. Different ways you can do this. I'm just going to use my big cleaver here. Cut it like that. Once you get it started, it's easier. That's what it looks like. It's good. Well, that was just a blueberry. It is a really good frozen treat. Great for this hot weather that's coming up. Summertime. You can just break it up into as big or small pieces as you want. If you can understand what I'm saying with a mouthful. This stuff is so good. Let's try that again. You can break it up into as big or as small of pieces as you want. I just store them in an airtight container, stick them in the freezer. So there's my healthy snack. Blueberry yogurt bark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos in this collaboration. Check out my video description for all of that information. Y'all have a very blessed day.